$1,293.67. That's what I was able to generate in Clickbank commissions in just 1 week. Now, if you want to find out how to do this step by step, you definitely want to stay tuned to this video because we're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I want to welcome you here. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing, making money online, as well as entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, in this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you step by step on how you can actually start generating affiliate commissions with Clickbank on a day-to-day basis. Clickbank is a massive marketplace, and people are cashing in and making thousands and even millions of dollars with the Clickbank platform. And I want to show you guys how you can actually tap into it, even if you're a brand spanking newbie, and how you can get started today actually generating money with Clickbank. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. All right, guys, so let's gonna jump right in here. And what I wanna teach you guys today is something that I learned a while ago, and it's called the profit cycle. And it's this whole process that you basically have 3 different main components that I'm going to be kind of drawing out for you guys here today that's going to lead to you generating affiliate commissions on a day-to-day basis, generating thousands of dollars at basically your own will. So what we're going to be talking about today is called the profit cycle, and you guys have to bear with me. I'm on my little trusty drawing board again, and I don't have the greatest penmanship in the world, as you guys probably already know if you've been watching my videos, but we're going to be talking about the profit cycle. And so what the profit cycle does is it first starts off with traffic. Everything kind of starts off with traffic first. So let's go ahead and put traffic here. And you're going to be able to get traffic a number of different ways. So you can get traffic by using SEO. You can get traffic by doing Facebook. You can do both free and paid, as well as YouTube, both free and paid. There's stuff we call solo emails, so like solo ads here. You can be doing, let's say, influencer marketing. So let's do influencer here. And you can even be doing like pay-per-click, right? So there's a lot of different ways that you can get traffic into your profit cycle. So once you have figured out what type of traffic that you're going to actually use to get traffic to your profit cycle, you're then going to send that traffic to what we call an opt-in page. So this is going to be the opt-in page here. And so let's just put opt-in page. And the reason why we're building this opt-in page is we want to be able to collect some emails so that we can actually build our list so that we can continually make money with our affiliate marketing business. So this is an opt-in page where you're going to be giving away some sort of free incentive. So you're going to be asking people for their email for some sort of free gift here, right? Now, once we've actually got the emails to come through our actual opt-in page, we want to then take them to the first profit center. And this is going to be like the thank you page, right? So on this thank you page, you can have basically a core offer. So you can say offer 1, and you can even have like a downsell to that offer. So you can have offer 2 here as well. So you can actually make your first initial sale right here at this thank you page. So let's just say first profit center. So this is where you can initially make your first amount of money here, right? So you can make money. The second profit center is what we call our email marketing campaign. So if we have like, this is just going to be representation of email. So we're actually building our list here. And then with a follow-up sequence, you're going to be able to make money because you're going to be able to promote different affiliate products. So through the follow-up sequence, you can have different, affiliate links that you can promote different products, services, webinars, as well as you can have what we call like your promo emails. And you should be doing both of this in your actual marketing. You should have a follow-up series, but then you should also be manually promoting products. And so what's great about having just the promo emails is you're able to just market products and services in real time. So say for instance, you do have your follow-up sequence that people are going through and they're buying products and services or getting on webinars, but then there's going to be products and business opportunities and things that come up in real time that you want to be able to promote today or tomorrow. So these are important that you can actually just kind of type up an email at one time and then send it out to your list and then make money. So again, this is going to be the second opportunity, the second profit cycle, right? The second opportunity for you guys to make money. So what typically holds people back from this entire profit cycle and getting it put together and actually making it work is they have a hard time finding high quality, high converting products, because what you really want to do is you want to be promoting high quality, high converting products, because you can have products that do give a lot of value and are high quality, but if the sales page doesn't convert, then you're probably going to struggle to make sales. So it has to have those two components. It has to be great value, high quality, plus it has to actually do its job in sales. So it has to have all of those, psychological sales, marketing tactics they use to, get people to take action. And you want people to take action because you want people to get to the value, which is going to help them build their online businesses or get to whatever their desired result is. So that is one challenge that a lot of people face in terms of trying to find the high converting products. The next challenge obviously is to get consistent traffic, high quality traffic. There's various ways to get traffic, but people struggle in getting high quality traffic. A lot of people are afraid to spend money on paid traffic because of fear of losing. So there is methods and things that you can do in order to kind of start off with minimal risk and start building your list and getting some profit in, and then you can kind of reinvest those profits, as well as I always recommend to add in some free marketing when you're actually doing your online marketing for these different profit centers. And then lastly, people challenge with the technical side of all of this. Obviously, you have to have a page that can collect emails, and then you have to have a thank you page. You have to have obviously offers to sell. We talked about that. And then you have to connect that with your autoresponder. You have to have follow-up emails. All of these things need to be working in conjunction in one cohesive profit center, or funnel is like we like to call them. And all of this needs to be working and in place before we actually send the traffic to it. So what I want to do for you is I want to give you guys some free training that's going to help you put together this entire profit cycle. So you're going to learn how to get traffic. You're going to learn how to do lead generation and collect emails and build a squeeze page. You're going to learn how to connect that with your actual email autoresponder. You're gonna learn how to create emails and write emails and do promos. Everything you need to know as an affiliate marketer to create this is going to be in this training that I'm going to be giving to you, and it's absolutely free. It'll be in the link in the description below. And that's basically it, guys. I mean, this is the core to how to actually make money as an affiliate. This is how you see others doing it, as well as how I was able to do it and generate over $1,200 in a week with affiliate commissions, fairly hands-free, just basically sending some traffic to my whole profit center, right? So again, guys, I'll have some free training for you guys in the link in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. And if you have any questions about this model, about this video, make sure you leave it in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.